Hey, it's Allison from Computers.mom here to show you how and why to get Teamviewer installed on a Windows computer. So let's say you have an issue with your computer, you need some help, and someone you trust is willing and able to help you remotely. So they say to you, please start Teamviewer, and you say, what's that? Do I have that? So here's how to check. You might want to look down here in the taskbar or over here on the desktop for a blue and white shortcut that looks like that. If you don't see them, click the Start button and start typing the word TEAM on your computer. If it doesn't show up in the list or it doesn't say Desktop App, as this one doesn't, you don't have it and you'll need to go get it. We'll need to download the program to install it. So we have to go to the Teamviewer website. You can open a browser, Firefox, Chrome, Safari, whatever you like to use, and either go directly to teamviewer.com or search for the word Teamviewer. Either way, you'll see this link, teamviewer.com. That's the main site, but I'm going to save time by going directly to the download page, which has a link right here. The download page has links for different computers and devices. You can see that Windows is already selected here. It knows I'm on a Windows computer. So scroll down, find this green button, and click Download Teamviewer. What happens next depends on which browser you're using, but look for a button like Save. Once I click that, the file is now being downloaded onto my computer. It may also be scanned for safety because it's a download from the internet. Once the download is finished, we have to find and open that file to run it. So if you're in Edge, as we are here, click View Downloads, and this little window opens, and I can get to the Downloads folder to see my file by clicking right here on Open Folder. There's Teamviewer Setup. I double-click on the file, and it will start to install. Once I've begun the install, I can close these other windows to get them out of the way. Just in case you're using a different browser, let's take a quick look at how some other ones work. If I'm using Google Chrome, again, I scroll down, find the green Download Teamviewer button, and click there. It pops up a window to say, oh, where do you want to save this? I can really choose any location, but let's say Downloads, and click Save. Then I just click once on the button at the bottom. If you're using Firefox instead, again, scroll down the page, find the green Download Teamviewer button, and click it. Then click Save File, and instead of being at the bottom, the download shows up under this little blue arrow at the top. I just click it once, and then click on the file to open it and begin the installation. So the process is really very similar, it's just the details vary depending on your browser. Once you've started the install, this window pops up, and you have some choices. Basic installation is right for most people, but it's important that you choose personal non-commercial use, otherwise you're going to be required to have a license. So if you're just using this at home for yourself, be sure to click that button. Then click Accept and Finish to begin the install process. It'll take a little while, be patient. I've sped it up here to save time. And during the installation process, you'll see a shortcut appear on your desktop. That makes it easier to get to Teamviewer next time. When it's finished, you'll see this window, which you can look at if you choose or just close it. And finally, Teamviewer is running and you're ready to go. For instructions on how to use it, see this video linked above. Otherwise, you're done. If you like this video, if you found it helpful, please click the like button below. Thanks for watching.